Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then go to settings, and now you have to click on Google Assistant and here select Hey Google and voice match, and now you have to click on Hey Google and now click on more and I agree, more and I agree. Now click next. And now click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants on every Monday. Now click next, and now you have to click back again, and click on lock screen, and then click yes I'm in, and make sure that this option stays on. So now let's check if Google Assistant works on lock screen. Hey Google. And as you can see, my assistant can be activated on lock screen now. So if you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.